Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a no makeup day, as you can see. We are doing empties, and this is not all of my empties. Some of the empties actually went in the trash as they went in the trash. My basket is full. We have not done empties. This is a big basket, guys, in a long time because I just haven't done empties. But we're going to go through and I'll show you what is in this basket. All right, and it is dusty because it just sits in at the bottom of the shelf in my bathroom. Hair, skin, and nail gummies. These are the Nature's Bounty. I was doing these at night when I went to bed, and I do my collagen in the mornings. And I am on like my third tub of collagen. I don't have the buckets here to show you guys. The first bucket I did was Walmart Equate, and it was 10 meals, and then I found a Nature's Bounty at Ollie's for like $8, so I grabbed it. It was 15, and now I went to Walgreens the other day. I had to get a prescription filled for my knee, and they had one for $20, $19.99 I believe is what it was. And it was 20 mils. So I'm trying that one right now. I just cracked it open yesterday. So hair, skin, and nail gummies at night. I need to buy me a new bottle because I'm completely out of those. But I am still doing my collagen religiously. I have a lot of hair stuff in here, guys. This is the thickening shampoo from Sally Beauty, the Ion. I do love me some Sally Beauty products. Actually, that's what's in my shower right now is Sally Beauty. Rakuten. I said these are dusty. There should be another Rakuten bottle in here, or it might have got thrown away. It probably got thrown away because I had the shampoo and the conditioner. This is the Rakuten Color Extend Bondage Conditioner. I had the shampoo. I think I got this through Influencer. I got the shampoo and the conditioner to try through I think it was Influencer. I'm not going to swear to it. Buzz Agent. It was Buzz Agent. It was not Influencer. So I don't want to tell you wrong. But I liked it. When my hair was platinum, it works beautifully. I'm going to try to get out like all the hair stuff. Again, Ion Cool Blonde Weekly Boosting Treatment. When my hair was blonde. Yes, I loved it. More Sally Beauty. I'm going to try to get all the hair stuff out of here. These are two of my absolute favorites. If your hair is colored, this is the generic compared to Matrix Biolage Color Last Shampoo and Color Last Conditioner. I have backups of these already in my bathroom. I'm working on some Bioterra from Sally's right now, but these are like two of my favorites. The shampoo just lathers so good. It lathers like when you go to the salon and you get that really thick, rich lather. Absolutely love it. The sauce, again, I got this at Sally's. You could probably get it other places. I don't know, but I know you can get it at Sally's. And for a hair mask, fantastic. And my hair was so damaged from all the bleaching. If you remember when my hair was like platinum blonde, like a month or so ago, I had to have all that, guys. I had to have all that. Let's see what else we got floating around in here. I know there's more. Here is that e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. Oh, I need to reorder me some of that. I love that. I do have some e.l.f. Skincare coming from Ulta. I ordered it the other day. Speaking of bleaching my hair, generic lightening powder. Yeah. And generic compared to Rakuten Shades EQ Medium Ash Blonde. That has been on my hair. I have a lot of little hair masks. Here's some more bleach. Repair. Here is some face mask. Let's see what else we got. This is, and I need to start masking again. I'm getting texture through here on my face. So when I put on my makeup and I put on my highlighter, you can really see texture like right in here. I told you guys I was not taking care of my skin like I should have been, like I had been. Here is a hyaluronic face mask, but I'm going back to my skincare. I'm going back because, you know, I'm 50. I need to take care of my skin. The Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. There was like 3 or 4 packs in here. Really good. Liked those. Is this completely empty? No, there's still some in there, but it was getting kind of old. The hydrating gel milk cleanser, I already have like another milk cleanser, so this one's going in the trash. It is e.l.f. It is really good. Don't get me wrong, it was getting old. My Jeffree Star Morphe face spray, it is gone. It is completely empty. There's nothing in there. I did really like this one, and sad. Secret deodorant, like you guys need to know. Let's see what else we got in here. Liquid strength treatment with protein, Garnier Fructis. Really like this one too. I don't know if you can still get it. Like I said, this has been sitting in here for a while. If they have it, it may have been repackaged or something at the time, but it has Amalia oil extract, phytokeratins with vegetable proteins for distressed and damaged hair, which mine was. Still is on the ends a little bit, but not like it was. Okay, watermelon wipes, cucumber wipes. Yes, there's some fuzz bunnies floating around. More hair, skin, and nail gummies. These were the Equate ones. They're still strawberry flavored. I think they were compared to the Nature's Bounty, so basically the same thing. I need some more of those. Cotton rounds. There will always be cotton rounds in there. Always. Cotton rounds and face wipes. Always. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Hand soap. So good. Bath and Body Works. Love me some Bath and Body Works. Ooh, there's something. Oh, I need a washcloth. I'm aloe. Face masks. Here's another face mask. Coffee. This is when I was doing that the face mask subscription. I really liked that. I might have to go back to that. Danielle Stone. This was a Santal Noir room spray. Finally used up all that. Wasn't like too happy with the smell, but I did end up using it, so there's that. You gotta have some developer with your hair color. Another face mask. Here's lemon. Like I said, I gotta get back to masking. I think when I'm done filming this, I'm gonna go put on a sheet mask. What else? We got a few makeup things in here. Oh, here was a mini Dove Advanced Care Cool Essentials dry spray. I really liked this. I need to take a picture of that, so I will know. I'm gonna leave that little guy out. That was fantastic. And I have not used like a spray. A stick. I've not used a spray probably since I was in my teens when I first started using deodorant, and that's what we had was sprays. The sticks weren't a big thing then. That was really good. I'm gonna take a picture. Pardon me, I'm gonna take a picture of that so I'll know. Gimme Brow. This one was probably in taupe or something. I would say maybe brown. Number 3. This is number 3, whichever one that is. One of my favorite mascaras, the Bad Girl Bang. I don't have, maybe the next order when I declutter out a couple of mascaras, because right now my little mascara section is full, and I will not buy another mascara until like I declutter or use up another one and make a space. So that's how I kind of try to keep myself on track. If that is absolutely full, I'm not buying another one until one is used up or I declutter one out. My Lord, this thing is old, but it had finally like give up the ghost. It was just not sharpening. It had gotten dry. This came with a Too Faced Love palette. I decluttered the palette a long time ago, but the eyeliner was still working really good, so I kept the eyeliner, but she's finally gone. It's no good. It's gone. One of my favorite tinted moisturizers, you guys know, was the e.l.f. tinted moisturizer. Love this stuff. Love it. Are they still making it? I don't even know, but if they are, I need to get another one. One of my favorite concealers. There is a little bit in here, but you gotta mash it. The Rimmel Perfect Match. This was Fair Light. You guys can see I squished her pretty flat. Love that concealer. I do have backups already over there. And then last 2 things, guys. This was getting kind of old, and I'd used it quite a bit. I mean, there's still some in there, but I don't know if you guys can see that, like, it has gotten kind of clunky. So this was a Alamar lip gloss. I'm just tossing and getting rid of that. And then the last of my you guys see down in there, you can see all the way down to the bottom. This was the last of my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Really liked this concealer. I had it in 2 different shades, and this was the last one, and she's gone. She is used up. There's an empty basket, guys. She needs to be cleaned out. That is it. That is my empties for the New Year's. I only do empties about once every 2 to 3 months because I do not go through a lot of product. I just don't. So that's what I had at the end of the year. So not bad. It's a good little trash bag full here. So yeah, there we go, guys. Let me know down below what you're using, something that you're loving, something you want to recommend that I might want to try out. And I'll see you guys on the next one.